At the Wallich, we create opportunities for people who have experienced rough sleeping, homelessness or the criminal justice system to live the lives they want. There's still a lot of stigma around employing people like our service users with gaps in their employment. They've often experienced trauma and many face challenges with their mental health, which can make traditional learning daunting. Our participation and progression teams run 4 programs to help break the cycle of homelessness or reoffending. They teach essential skills and offer tools to improve well-being. They also work with employers to challenge stigma and create job opportunities. Courses are designed to make them as accessible as possible. They're flexible in attendance and run by specially trained trauma-informed tutors. People who have experienced homelessness can be mistrustful of others in positions of authority, so all of our programs are at least partially delivered by individuals with lived experience. Working with someone who has walked in the shoes can be inspiring, and we've seen an increase in positive engagement and outcomes for service users. Many have gone on to find employment or are looking for work. Others have improved their digital skills and completed qualifications. Even more say their mental health is improved and they feel in greater control of their lives. That's just as important. They change their stories and have new hope for the future. That's what it's about for us.